Welcome to Momo and Jojo quiz time. Can you get 10 out of 10? Say your answer before the timer ends. Question 1. Complete the sentence. This book belongs to me. Is it my, your, or his book? This is my book. We use my when something belongs to me. Next tower. Complete the sentence. This shoe belongs to you. Is it your, my, or his shoe? This is your shoe. We use your when something belongs to you. Onward, hero. Complete the sentence. Ben has a dog. Whose dog is it? Ben has a dog. It is his dog. We use his for something that belongs to a boy or man. The mission is moving. Continue the mission. Complete the sentence. Mia has a doll. Whose doll is it? Mia has a doll. It is her doll. We use her for something that belongs to a girl or woman. The kingdom awaits. Complete the sentence. I love someone very much. Is it my, your, or his mom? I love my mom. We use my when something belongs to me. Halfway there, the mission is taking shape. Next jam. Complete the sentence. You packed something today. Is it your, my, or his lunch? You packed your lunch. We use your when something belongs to you. Next tower. Complete the sentence. Leo is wearing something on his head. Whose hat is it? Leo is wearing his hat. We use his for something that belongs to a boy or man. Onward, hero. Complete the sentence. Emma is reading a book. Whose book is it? Emma is reading her book. We use her for something that belongs to a girl or woman. Almost at the finish line. Continue the mission. Complete the sentence. I found something on the floor. Is it my, your, or his pencil? I found my pencil. We use my when something belongs to me. Final challenge. This is the big one. Complete the sentence. You tied something on your feet. Is it your, my, or his shoes? You tied your shoes. We use your when something belongs to you. Castle restored. You earned the Grammar Star badge. Thanks for playing with Momo and Jojo. See you next time.